Hey sightseers, we were out exploring and we stumbled upon what appears to be an abandoned government facility hidden deep within the woods. Who wants to go check this place out? Oh wow, there's still power here. Well, it doesn't look like I'm going to get much information out of the information center. If there's anything in here. Oh. This looks like some mouse droppings and some old spiders. Let's check these two and see if we can find any brochures. Nothing in there. Ugh. Somebody needs to do some house cleaning in here, I think. I wonder if they actually use this old wood stove to heat this building. Well, why don't we go see if there's anything else that we can look at while we're here. Looks like the door is open. Let's take a peek inside one. This must have been where they kept some of the tools and whatever they were using for the operations here. There's still an old tow motor back there. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. Here. I'm really surprised this building isn't locked up. It really should be. I'm gonna close the door. Hopefully no vandals come along and take off with that tow motor. This is why I'm actually here and how I discovered the place. If you've been watching a number of my videos, you know I've been searching out different waterfalls, and it came upon my radar that there was a waterfall back here, and in searching out this waterfall, we stumbled upon this abandoned government operation. I think it's a shame that we weren't able to come here when the hatchery was still open. I think it would have been cool to see the day-to-day operations here. Unfortunately, we're just going to have to settle for what we've got here today, which is a bunch of abandoned government buildings and a really super cool waterfall. Well, it looks like this building's open. Let's take a peek inside. Whoa. Look at the old wood, how it's aged. It smells really good in here, as strange as that sounds. They should really use this wood, refurbish it, or rehab it for another type of project. That would be so cool if they did. Did you hear that? So it looks like what we've stumbled upon here is what used to be a fish rearing station run by the Wisconsin DNR. And if we look at the sign here, it talks about how they raised brown trout here. And they didn't actually hatch the trout here. They were hatched elsewhere and then brought in when they were about 2 to 3 inches in length. And then they were raised here in these different buildings. And then when they got to be about the length of 7 to 8 inches, they were stocked into Lake Michigan and the Bay of Green Bay. What do you suppose is in there? Should we go take a look? I'm thinking so. We checked the doors. They're locked, which is a good thing. Hopefully it's nothing too scary in there. I don't know. I don't like dark places. But we gotta go check it out. I'm thinking so. Check this out. This must be like an old hideout shelter of some sort. That looks like an old bone of some sort on the ground here. Oh, and I think that is the remains of an old mouse trap here in the corner. Look. I hope no kids were playing in here or held captive. I wonder what this is about. It looks like it could have been a makeshift toilet. This room is totally creepy. I think I need to get out of here. I'm starting to feel kind of nauseous, actually. I still feel just creeped out by being in that dark, dank space. Oh, this place could be really, really peaceful, except it just has some kind of eerie feeling to it. It's kind of weird. This explains why the buildings we were able to access were unlocked, because those were open to the public, and obviously the ones in red were restricted, and they did lock them, so that's a good thing. So the sign's asking if you can tell these fish apart, so I'm going to take a chance and see if I know anything about fish. Test my fish knowledge. I'm guessing this is going to be a salmon of some sort. Wrong-o! That was a rainbow trout. Okay. Let's see if I can figure out the next one. Alright, I'm gonna say this is the brown trout, since we must be talking about trout. Wrong again. That's a brook trout. Alright, let's see if I can get the last one right. I'm gonna say this has gotta be the brown trout. Woohoo! Got it right. That sounded like machine gun fire in the background. This place is getting even creepier. Hopefully you won't be hearing on the 5 o'clock news about another female YouTuber that's gone missing.